Welcome or welcome back to my channel. We are going shopping today. We are going to get some stuff prepped for my new apartment that I'm moving into. I want to take you guys along. Thought it'd be fun kind of doing a whole moving vlog. So see what I put in this video. Obviously you'll know by the title, but I'm just excited to like make a new place like homey. It's a lot smaller than my place now, so I feel like it will be easier to decorate and make comfortable, you know. I'm about to just throw on some makeup because I'm just feeling like I want to put myself together a little bit today. It is currently November 30th, so tomorrow is December 1st, and I am officially moving into my new apartment December 8th. I am headed out to go get some food from Chipotle because I really wanted to eat at home, but I don't have rice and I really am just craving rice. I don't know why. I'm gonna have like a little chat with you guys in the car after I get my Chipotle, and then we're gonna go shopping at Target together. I have the Chipotle and this is my second meal today and I am so freaking hungry. Here's the ball. I don't really go to Chipotle like ever. Like when I'm craving Chipotle, it's like, are you okay? So no, the answer is probably I'm not. This little end of year time, oh my goodness. Yeah, and I feel like little burnt out. So I kind of decided to, you know, just focus on more things that I enjoy along with the moving that I have to get done. It is the next day. Hopefully you can see me. I'm about to make greens. Okay, I have my gym fit on. About to go to a new gym. I've been to this gym once before. I'm gonna be getting a membership there because I am in desperate need of a new gym. I'm just at that point where I'm absolutely so sick of my current gym. It just makes me not even want to go. In this new gym, I'm gonna take you guys along, okay? I'm going to do like a couple little clips. I'm not doing the whole workout with you, but I am going with a friend, so it shall be fun. As you saw, I got some stuff at Target yesterday, so I'll do like a little haul with you guys later as well. I'm gonna chug this while I make breakfast. I'm wearing Honor Active cycling shorts in Minky, and then Seller sports bra and Change Fate little, what's this called? A bolero, but it's like not a bolero, you know what I mean? It's like a, I'm gonna call it a micro jacket. Yes, that's a micro jacket. And of course, socks, because I don't wear shoes at the gym. So we're gonna go cross and then go kick out to a 45-degree angle. Yeah, this is so much better with the plate. 6, 7. Target haul. Waffle towels, I have 2 of these. I got 2 bath and then 1 hand towel. Shower curtain, this is like the outside curtain. Shower liner. Towels for drying, these are really good. Jar for my mask gainer. Salt rock lamp that you guys saw. And that was a Target haul. Where the heck? I don't know where to put these. The current. Azalea's not liking this. Good morning. It is currently Saturday, December what? It is currently December 2nd. not 20, whatever. I don't even know. I'm so lost track of time at this point. Got a lot of stuff done yesterday, and I know you guys didn't see it all because it was just a lot and a lot to vlog, honestly. Here's the kitchen currently. Kitchen is looking very empty. There's really just not a lot going on here. My dishes that are left. He is not very happy with this whole movie. What was that? What was that? What was that? You wanna go outside? Let's go outside. Parents are coming right now. They're gonna be here in probably 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take her out and we're gonna get to it. To kind of prepare my clean clothes, move over there. Some of the clothes that I'm not gonna really use this upcoming week, and then set up some stuff at the new place. Good morning. It is officially moving day. I am tired, even though I feel like I went to bed pretty early. Getting all of my furniture moved over to the new place. All of the boxes and stuff moved over to the other place. And last night was the last night of me sleeping here in my first apartment. Kind of sentimental. I feel a little emotional, like leaving this place. She's been a little bit stressed and I feel bad, but hopefully she kind of acclimates quickly over there. So you guys are gonna be here probably 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll give you a call when we leave here.
All right, see you soon. Eggs. I was gonna make breakfast tacos this morning. Like I literally fully had everything planned to do that specifically. I don't have any oil. Finishing up the kitchen. My bathroom is gonna have to wait because I'm gonna have to come back and bring another box. Oh my gosh, it's steaming. We're smoking. Excited not to have these butthole stovetops anymore. This is your sign. You need to be drinking your water. When you first get up in the morning, like drink a bunch of water. I've been trying to do better, so I've been filling my water bottle up. Really weird to have my whole apartment, like, it's basically all gone. Like all of my cabinets are empty. No, I'm not alone when I say that moving, oh my gosh, is like a weird, indescribable feeling where it's like exciting, but also like you can't help but kind of be sad about like leaving a place that you feel home at. I just made my coffee and now I'm about to make my mom and my dad's. In fact, my sister is actually a barista. It runs in the family. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Bonnie oat milk. Extra creamy is the best. We're gonna fill the cup about halfway. Little pour. I'm not good with my art. It's fine. Paste right here. I don't know specifically how much. Why am I carrying this milk? I don't know specifically how much I'm going to be vlogging of today, but I'm gonna try to get some more, you know, moving content and everything for you guys to include into this, but I also wanna do more of like setting up decorations. I'm gonna get up, mama. Are you ready to go outside? You ready to go outside? Come on, come on. That was the cutest thing ever. You're the cutest thing ever. You guys. I'm gonna play that back in slow-mo because what was that? Little reindeer, you ready to go outside? Guess who's here, mama? Guess who's here? You wanna go see grandma and grandpa? Oh, wait, again, before I go, this is the current section is filled with stuff to go. I'm gonna take that down. Here's the kitchen. And then bathroom is definitely not done at all. Then bedroom, which is mostly done, but I don't know what to do with my bedding and stuff, honestly. Okay, see you soon. It has been a long day and I'm truly exhausted. Everything has been moved except for, you know, some random miscellaneous things and my bathroom, which I'm gonna get cleared out, and cleaning supplies because I have to clean here still before I like officially like turn in my keys and whatever. It is like the weirdest sight. Yeah, I'm about to give Azalea a little bath because clean sheets, clean sorta apartment, clean blankets and everything. So I'm like, we are gonna definitely have to make sure that the dog is clean. Can't go sleep. Hello, beautiful people. As you can tell, I am in my new apartment. Today is going to be the most in-depth Saturday reset I have done because we are doing all the types of getting things set up in here, organizing, and all of those things. A lot of stuff that needs to be done, and I hope by the end of the day I can at least get most of the boxes and stuff cleared out. Get yourself some coffee or an energy drink or whatever you prefer, and let's get to this reset. So I'm giving you guys a before so you can really see what we are working with. My SD card ran out of space, so I uploaded everything, cleared some space. We're gonna get back to it. It is getting so dark already. It's 5:12 p.m. It already feels like 7 or 8.
Tidings of great joy. Get some tongs and you can use these to like grab my clothes. Hi guys, it is the next day.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
Good morning, everyone. It is a brand new day, and it's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. It is currently December 29th now. I wanted to take you guys along with me to get ready for the gym. It's time to make one of my go-to breakfasts. It's super simple. All you need is bagel, cream cheese, some eggs. I'm obsessed with the hot and sweet jalapenos from Trader Joe's, so I put those on top of the eggs, on top of the bagel. Let's make some breakfast. Here's our delicious and simple breakfast. For our drink, we are doing a big glass of water, BCAAs, and creatine. I'm not a huge, proponent of BCAAs. These do have added hydration in them, but I think BCAAs are kind of an unnecessary thing. I do like the flavor. It helps me drink more water. I'm gonna take my vitamins this morning.
For behold, I bring you tidings of great joy.
I'm ready to get into the mental side of this reset. I wanted to kind of create my own planner type thing for this new year. I want to really be focused on digital planning this year instead of having like actual physical planners. This is kind of what I'm thinking for the planner, but we're going to play with it and kind of customize it to specifically what I want. I don't know about you, but my life needs a little reset. I know it's past New Year's now, but listen, I know there's people out there that are feeling exactly the same way as me. Feel like you kind of missed that mark on the New Year's reset, but I just need to focus on doing better from now on. And right now, my now on is January 8th, okay? The same predicament as me. It is time to get it together. I don't care if you're watching this literally January 30th, February 30th. It is time to do a little reset. You clicked on this video, you know you needed a little bit of motivation to get yourself back together. You know, this whole New Year's thing is so exhausting sometimes because it's always like New Year, fresh start. But let me tell you, every single day is a fresh start. So let's start fresh today. Let's do it. Put you guys on. This cereal is literally amazing. This is the Oreos cereal. This is the first time I've tried it. I love everything Oreo, everything cookie, everything cookies and cream. This is the best cereal I've ever eaten in my life. I cannot believe this just happened. I spilled like this entire bowl of cereal. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? I ended up showering and it's literally already gotten darker, okay? I was sticky, my robe was covered in milk. I did make myself a new bowl of cereal though. I'm gonna finish that and get straight to my tasks for today. My loves, I'm gonna show you around a little bit and just kind of be real with you guys and show you that it is messy in here. Okay, we got a very messy kitchen and front entrance area too. Still got stuff over here from cleaning my old apartment. All this, there's just a lot that needs to be done. So we're first actually going to start with the situation is rough, okay? We need to get some folding done. We need to get that stuff done and we can easily do that. Low energy, but time consuming, you know? So sometimes you have to prioritize things in a different way. For me, I can't like do hard tasks first. I have to kind of like take it easy and gradually build up. I just contacted like almost all of my leads except for my WhatsApp leads for my coaching. My mutuals put me on this using like shipping bags for packing cubes. It works super well. What was the birthday dress I wore this year? Beautiful. Other dress that I got, which I will be wearing soon and taking pictures and everything. We're now making some dinner. He just came from the gym.
What's up, everybody? Dejan Price back here with another.
Oh my goodness. Putting dishes away and getting the kitchen more in order, it's kind of freaking me out a little bit. This smells so good. We're making chicken tenders and we made them really sauced up and delicious. So. Have the chicken tenders and the udon. This is so good. It's so good. And we're watching, what's it called again? Big Little Lies. We've never seen it. This is the first episode.